What am I? Oh my god!
There's other sunny places.
Ready?
Ready.
No butt. But.
Seu cachorro só erra o tapetinho e você tá desesperada, não sabe mais o que fazer, preste atenção nesse vídeo aqui que eu vou te ajudar, viu? Não acerta xixi, cocô de jeito nenhum, você quer resolver? Eu te convido a você conhecer o meu método, o MCA, método com adestrado, o melhor do país. Vem comigo nessa jornada incrível e apaixonante do adestramento canino.
Open
Te
your
espero
mouth
aqui,
and
clica aqui
see
no
what
botão
your cat
abaixo.
does.
Oh my god.
Did you go shopping and bring me some stuff? Or did you just get a bag from mom?
You want to mess this shit up? You gonna clean it up. Every last bit of it. You gonna clean it up, Chimpy. You gonna come in.
Ow! Chiquita, let me touch you, Chiquita.
He's all in.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder, what is going on?
Give it to me. Give it to me.
Head over heels in love with Hannah, but unfortunately.
You're gonna fall off. You're so dumb. No! Hi, Mia. How are you today? Are you coming to say hi to me?
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something.
I'm so nervous. Huh.
I was trying on my new skirt, and I think it's safe to say that Cricket likes it.
Boo!
Hi.
Hello.
Kind of.
Chama ele.
Vídeo.
Sorria.
Wash with the grain. You sneezed in his face.
That's not supposed to.
I know what's wrong with it. Ain't got no gas in it.
Bailey, you want a treat? Hey, Lappy, I got you a stuffed animal.
Oh, okay.
Can we chill? Okay.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but
Cat did a sick trick.
Thank you. Can I pet your dog? No. Say hi.
Hello and welcome back to Creature Watching.
What has happened?
Couldn't find him anywhere.
This little. Oh.
But you're just a pretty princess. Come here.
Jerry! Jerry! Think about it. It's a baby.
Where are you?
You only exist because I let you.
Ever wonder what a hairless pug looks like?
Sir, you're cut off.
Tell him. All right, wow.
In case you haven't noticed, I'm weird. I'm a weirdo.
so if he tells you anything fucking different, he's a liar and a fucking snake. Fuck you.
That is rude. That is rude. Stop. You.
Sit. Good boy.
Puss in Boots.
Hey, come here, come on.
Excuse me, sir.
I have you now.
Alright, then let's do this. Go in. Never heard of bargaining before.
Hi. Hi. Hi, baby. Puppy, puppy.
Those are dead puppies. Good morning, Harper. Oh, look at that stretch. Look at that. What do you think? Are you ready for today? Huh? Are you ready?
Everyone having cute videos of their cats to this sound. And then there's mine. Bark at your dog and get his reaction.
One, two, three!
Kevin, that guy's not even racing you.
Yeah, he did, he blew. I can't find my screwdrivers anywhere. Like, what? Where did they go?
Put your finger in your dog's face and see what they do.
Hello, mate. Do you do puncture repairs?
Time to do some sketchy. Doo-da, doo-da. Hope I get away with it. Oh, da doo-da day.
The horse is here.
So my cat loves to do this thing. I'm gonna show you. Come here. Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that? Sammy.
Crazy things I see when I'm delivering packages.
What are you two doing?
Guys, I think my cat is broken.
Full Metal Alchemist. Full Metal Alchemist.
Take them titties out because I'm trying to see them.
AM to the PM, double did 'em and I need 'em.
Are you grumpy, Bo Bantam, in the Wednesday morning in the woods?
What the kid? She just ran all the way along, upside down. Bro, she's broken. Holy shit, man, what the is wrong with my cat?
Дай-ка ты, сука, попутал, что ли? Смотри, она все равно идет. Блин.